Yep, you definitely can do that. Hello folks, and thank you for stopping by. Well, actually, I'm not doing a reaction video. I'm always doing reaction videos on here, but this time around, I'm actually doing a product review. Now, what led up to me doing this particular product review? Well, basically, I wanted to do some special stuff on my channel when I'm doing my reaction videos and other silly stuff on here. So, I decided to go ahead and get this mask right here. And this mask is very popular. This type of mask is LED face mask. It's very popular. And I wanted to try it out on my channel. And since it's my first time getting my hands on it, I figured, you know what, let's go and do a product review together with this. So, here we go. So, here we go. I know it looks kind of menacing, doesn't it? I mean, but actually, it's one of the faces that you can put on here. You're going to see in a moment. It's going to be fun. So, I'm going to go ahead and open the box. I got to do this right now. I already took the shiny plastic off. It was too shiny. But that's okay. As long as it keeps everything in the box. Am I doing this wrong? Hold on. Let's make sure I'm doing this right. Come on. Come on, box. It doesn't want to come out. I know I'm going to get it open eventually. There we go. There we go. Alright. Let's shake this out. Shake it, shake it, shake it. Oh. Okay. So we got this. Take the little mask out. Alright. Right now I can tell you folks, it feels sturdy. It's got a strap on it, so you can, and is the strap stretchable? Yes it is. It's stretchable. And it's got eye cups. So when it's against your face, oh, it's soft too. Okay. I like that. That's cool. That would definitely work. Alright. It doesn't feel cheap. Oh, it's got plastic to protect the covering. So I'm going to take this plastic off. This is like really cool. This is like, wow. Alright, just remember to take that off when you start using it, I guess. Put that to the side. And that's the mask itself. You can see the little eye slits in there. And the rest of the mask is, of course, the LEDs and whatever. Okay. I'm going to put this to the side for now. Alright, let's see what else is in here. We got our user's manual. Oh, okay, I see. So, you also got to download the app that goes with this. Okay. We'll definitely do that. Absolutely. We're going to have some fun. And here's, check out all the different designs. If I can get the focus right. There we go. All the designs you can put on the mask. You know what? Let's get at it. What else is in here? There's got to be some other stuff in here. Hold up. Also, I understand that you got to put some batteries in it. When I was reading the instructions just now, I noticed you got to put batteries in it. There we go. So, it takes 3 AAA batteries, I believe. Look like 3 AAA batteries it takes. Okay. Slide that bad boy back on here. This is my first time getting a mask like this. Literally. Alright, let's see what else is in here. Alrighty. Slide out. Slide out. There it. Oh, okay. Well, that's it. Okay. Well, you know what? Let's get playing around with this mask. Shall we? Now, according to the makers of this mask, Megoo, they basically want you to scan this QR code, or you can go to the Google or what other app store they got on here? Yeah, go to the Google App Store, search Shining Mask to download. Okay. So you can either download the app from their website, or you can go to Google Apps. And you know what? That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go to Google Apps and look for Shining Mask. So I'm gonna literally do that live while we're talking. All right, there we go. Okay, folks. So when it shows up on your App Store, right, on Google Apps, you can see all this, and the one you want to get is called Shining Mask. Let me see if you can see that. I guess you can focus in on that, but yeah, that's the top one right there is the one you want. So I'm gonna go ahead and download that. Go ahead and install it. So I'm basically installing it right now. I'm doing this live, and of course downloading big time. Just waiting for the download. Now, while it's finished and downloading, I'm gonna go ahead and insert my 3 AAA batteries into this mask while I'm waiting for it to finish downloading. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this flap off there like I took off earlier. That little thing right there. Alright. That's what I showed y'all earlier. I took that off. Now I'm gonna put my 3 AAA batteries in there. Let's see. Oop. My bad. That's not AAA. See, I made a boo-boo. See, it's not AAA batteries, it's AA batteries. Let me get back to you about that. Now, I got my AA batteries, not AAA batteries. I don't know why I was thinking AAA for some reason. I guess because when I saw this, I thought AAA batteries go in there. But looks can be deceiving, so remember it's AA batteries for this. So I'm gonna go and put this in here, and basically make sure the bottom part that's flat goes where the spring is at. The spring always meets the bottom, so always do that. Do and the other one. And this basically, oh shoot, you see that? It's on already. Oh my goodness. Alright, but check this out. This is basically what it's supposed to look like. This way, that way, this way. So, okay, I'm gonna put this thing on here. Look at that. Just check that out. This is like cool. Whoa. Oh, by the way, the switch is up here. Turn it off. That's that. So the switch is right on top. See that top button there. All right. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this in here. Now remember earlier, I had to install the app for this. So I'm gonna go ahead and see the app installed on this phone. Let's check it out. Alright, it's downloaded, so I'm gonna go ahead and open it. Now, if you understand, it operates by Bluetooth, so I basically got hooked it up by Bluetooth. Okay, it's asking me about my location and all that. Okay, while using this app. Okay, so this is the part. It's gonna ask you all sorts of questions like location and stuff like that, going in loud and everything. And now the last part it's asking me about is the Bluetooth, so I'm gonna go ahead and let it do that. Now I literally got to turn the max flash going. That's what I'm going to go ahead and do so it can connect. It's showing me the battery power too. You see that? When you cut it on, it shows you the battery power too. How much juice it has. That's neat. That is really neat. Alright, let me go ahead and check out. Okay, right now I think it's trying to connect to the mask itself. I think what I got to do is hold down the button. Let me read the instructions real fast. Hold on, give me a moment. I'm just so excited to get my hands on it that I didn't read the operating manual like I'm supposed to. First time you open the app, okay, I did that. Connect equipment. Click, select the mask to control. Alright, so I gotta select the mask to control it. Alright, So I'm gonna go ahead and read these instructions and go ahead and connect this mask, and we'll be right back. Okay, I just figured out what the problem was. The reason the app wasn't connecting because you literally gotta go into the Bluetooth settings on your phone, on your Android phone, and actually manually connect it. So that's what I'm basically gonna do. And basically, I'm looking for, you hit your Bluetooth button as usual. You know, you select your Bluetooth devices and everything to connect and pair to. That's the menu you want to go to. And then once you're on that menu, you want to look for something that says mask, and then whatever number that's behind it. But it's got to say mask and then another number. And that's what I see on my menu right here. So I'm going to click that. Right now it's doing this pairing thing. It says it's pairing. So now I'm going to get out this screen. Get off the screen. Hit done. I'm going to get off the screen. I'm going to go back into the app. I'm going to hit this swirly thing one more time. Hopefully it's doing its thing. Okay, I got to turn on my location. That was the problem. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and turn my location on. Go back into the app. Now I'm going to hit the plus button one more time. Oh, I found it. See? It took some getting to, but we finally made it there. So I'm going to go ahead and connect it to the app. And as far as I know, it's connected. Okay. Let me see if it's connected. Oh, it's saying it's connecting. See? So you gotta keep tapping on that until it actually connects. Now it's connected. Maybe it's because certain different Android phones are a little funny acting. Maybe Samsung is one of them. But now it's finally connected. So what I'm going to do is basically play around with this. Oh, okay. It's definitely connected. Check this out. Right now I'm playing around with the setting that makes it brighter or darker. So right now I'm gonna do this. See that? It is definitely connected. See, I'm just playing with it. Okay, so it's definitely connected. All right. So what I'm going to do, give me a moment. Come on, go ahead and put this mask on. All right. Oh, one other thing. You can't wear this mask with glasses. No way. And also, the straps on this is adjustable by Velcro. So I'm going to go ahead and adjust the straps because I think it's a little too tight for me. So I'm going to go ahead and adjust the straps just a little bit longer. There we go. I think that's cool right here. All right, I'm going to put this on. Uh-oh, I ain't doing it right. See? One thing about straps, you gotta make sure it's fastened securely. Otherwise, they'll come right off. All right. Oh, I'm doing it wrong. Oops, my bad. I gotta put it in. This case comes out, you want to put it in this way. I was doing it all wrong. There we go. Now I'll put it back in. All right. I'll make sure this is on tightly. Make sure you squeeze that bad boy. All right. Now, let's try this again. All righty. Here we go. See? Now you also can control the settings for it with hand gestures. See, just go like that. You can control it like that because there's a little sensor up here that sees you putting your finger in front of the sensor that's up here and changes it. You can also change it with the button up here. Same thing. Definitely do that. Also, you can change it from the app itself. When I put the app, when I put the phone in, oh, right there. All right, give me a moment. Let me get back into my phone. All right. I'm gonna change it from here, from my phone. See? That. See? That. And that. Also, if you understand, you can download pictures here and put it on the mask itself. Let me get back to you on that one. Yep, you definitely can do that. You see how it reacts to my voice too? Whee! So, I hope this was helpful. And if you're definitely interested in getting this mask, just go into my description and I'll just put the link there to Amazon so you can get it yourself. So, hope this was helpful. Thanks for stopping by and may you have a wonderful day.